Good morning everyone and welcome back to Droove Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2019 INFINITI QX80 Luxe. This vehicle has 400 horsepower with 413 pound-feet of torque with a 5.6 liter naturally aspirated V8. The engine in this sounds amazing. I've always loved the way the QX80 sounds. It sounds so good, this engine. You have a 360-degree camera system. In this 2019 model, it's before they switched to the two-screen setup. And then after that, they switched to the single screen, and now obviously with 2025 models, you have the all-new QX80, but this generation of the QX80 was out for a really, really long time. The seats are comfortable, and you know, this one has like the wood trim on the steering wheel. You have a heated steering wheel as well and heated seats. But let's walk around this QX80, see what it looks like. As I said, like I just love the engine in these. Like this car was, as I said, this generation was out for a long time, but the engine is just so awesome. It has so much torque. This one's finished in smoky quartz. It's like a champagne color, which I really like. Reminds me of champagne quartz metallic on BMW. This is a really beautiful color. I barely ever see QX80s in this color. It's really unique. I like it a lot. You have captain's chairs. Pretty nice. And here's the trunk with the third row up for your third row passengers. And these are the wheels that you'll find on a Luxe. Here's the key fob. You have remote start, always a nice thing. Let's get this out on the road and see what it's like to drive. Yeah, these things are basically just tanks. They're huge. They have a lot of road presence because of its size. They sound great. You can haul a bunch of passengers in this thing. And this has a Bose sound system. And then in like the facelift, it was facelifted many times. This car used to have like the beluga whale look, but they changed it in 2018 I think, or 17. And then this screen went away in like 2020, and then in 2022 or 2023 they gave the bigger screen that you'll find in the QX60. But yeah, basically this thing was faced like 3 or 4 times because of how long it's been out, which is pretty crazy to think about. Like a technology facelift. See what I mean? The engine sounds fantastic. There's nothing like a naturally aspirated V8. I love naturally aspirated V8s. They just sound so fantastic. Any V8 sounds good, but naturally aspirated V8s just are great. And what I love about this car is like, it reminds me of like back in the days when vehicles were like, back when there's so many naturally aspirated engines. Then from 2000 to 2010 when so many cars were naturally aspirated. This engine sounded so good. Cars were just more simple back then. It wasn't like so complicated as it is in many cars now with the turbocharging, supercharging, electrification and all that. This is just a simple car. I love the simplicity of the QX80. That's one of the things I love about it. So simple. Just a big family hauler, which sounds good. Has some good power. And the 7-speed automatic is pretty responsive. It does a good job. Sorry, my voice sounds a little bit weird. The cold weather has gotten to me a little bit. Yeah, so it's pretty smooth, or very smooth actually. I love how elevated I am from the road. You definitely feel cocooned from the road in this car because of its massive size. It's great. Right, yeah, I like the way these look. They look really good to me. The Nissan version is this is the luxury version of the Armada. The Armada, I believe, it has the same engine. They sound the exact same. They drive basically the exact same. God, what an amazing sounding engine right there. Love it. Absolutely love it. But yeah, as I said, I don't see smoky quartz colored QX80s very often. So this is a unique looking example right here. And the QX80 in the pre-owned market like this one, in the $20,000 to $30,000 range, it's a lot of car for the money. You get a massive luxury family hauler in that price point, in good condition like this one. You're getting a lot of value for your money right there. Not quite sure what that car in front of us is doing. You see, the transmission is quite responsive. Very nice car. A nice heavy steering. Here's the center console, and you can see a lot of legroom for the passengers as well. Pretty simple screen, touch screen, as well as you can use a little controller thing. But yeah, thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you like to shop for nice pre-owned vehicles like this QX80 Luxe.